Okay, new tyres, not very exciting, I know, but we spent a lot of money on these things. It's costing me nearly £1,000 for these 4 tyres. I did some research online and I couldn't really see much about these new Hankook Flexclimate, Eon, Geon, whatever they're called, tyres. I was tossing up between those and the Michelin Cross Climate 2s. There's a lot of info about those. These seem very, very similar. Some of the marketing was suggesting that they're better. I mean, it depends what you review, right? But either way, there wasn't much online about these tyres, so I thought I'd go for them, see what they're like, and then, you know, post whatever I can about it, and then maybe it will help you decide, because there's not much out there. Let's see. So these are the existing Hankook tyres. S1 Evo 3s. They've worn pretty well. The rears are worse than the fronts, but they're definitely worth changing now. "36,000 miles with an average of 263 watt-hours per mile. You can see the average here is 68.2. So here we go, here are the new ones. Foam inserts that allegedly help with noise. B racing for both. Wheels look better without the aero caps, don't they? Now let's just check on the tracking to make sure that's all right. They only adjusted the front, they didn't adjust the rears. Okay, new tyres on. I mean, it's never going to be night and day difference. However, genuinely, they are quieter for sure. I mean, it's never a fair test because older, worn tyres are always going to be noisier than fresh, brand new tyres, right? But I need to put the decibel meter on to see if it's scientifically quieter, but I would say for sure they are quieter. You know what? The lip is nowhere near as pronounced as what I thought it was. There is a bit of an overhang, but it's not that bad.